Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this question, IG equals 0.6 square times 10 over 32.2, which is equal 0.1118, and the units is slug feet square. T in this case equals half times 10 over 32.2 times Vg square plus half times Ig, which is 0.1118 omega square. And T in this case equals 31, so Vg equals 1.2 omega. This equation is equation number 1. So by substituting in equation number 1, we can get the omega equals 10.53 radian per second, and Vg equals, as we said, 1.2 times omega, which is 10.53. So we will get Vg equals 12.64 feet per second. And finally, L equals mVg. So mass equal 10 over 32.2 times Vg, which is 12.64. So we will have 3.92 slug dot feet per second.